You can go. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Riley, okay. Go. Raleigh, go. It's okay. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, up. There you go. That feel better? That's your first swim of the year. That's your first swim of the year, Raleigh. Are you happy? How are you, sweet girl?
Oh my God,
you missed this.
And be like, this is what happens. This is what Raleigh's used to.
This is what she's subjected to, the poor girl.
You feel bad?
You can lie down. You want to swim around?
Raleigh, lie down. Oh,
It's a little bit too deep.
It's like just a tiny bit. Look at her butt.
Okay. You ready to go? Let's go. Get your ball. Where's your ball? Come on. Come on.